How to fix Hozy is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. And then you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, and open up the first link. Now from this second table here, you will need to download and install the redistributables. You will need the 86 installer and the 64. Download and install both of these. And once it's completed, you should restart your computer. Now after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest driver updates for your GPU. So for AMD, you can use the AMD software, and for NVIDIA, there is the NVIDIA app, which you can download and install, and then from drivers, update your driver here. And once you're done, all you need to do is open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from the Steam library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.